As India's COVID-19 cases tally crossed the 1.2 million mark on Thursday, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi said we have to fight vigorously against the virus till the vaccine comes. He also said that Northeast India is dealing with the twin challenge of combating the coronavirus and floods, which have caused huge damages and claimed several lives.
As India's cases tally crossed the 1.2 million mark, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday said, "We have to fight vigorously against the coronavirus till the vaccine comes." Speaking at the virtual foundation stone-laying ceremony of a major water supply project in northeastern Manipur province, Modi said the Northeast India in particular is dealing with a twin challenge of combating coronavirus and devastating floods. Floods due to heavy rainfall in India's northeastern Assam province have claimed 89 lives so far and caused huge damages, while millions have been affected. Modi expressed sympathies to the affected families and assured all help. India on Thursday registered highest one-day spike of 45,720 new cases and a record 1,129 people succumbed to the fatal disease in the past 24 hours, taking the country's cases tally to 1,238,635 with 29,861 deaths so far.
जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आती है, जहां कोरोना के खिलाफ हमें मजबूती से लड़ते रहना है, विजयी होना है, वहीं विकास के कार्यों को भी पूरी ताकत से आगे बढ़ाना है। इस बार तो पूर्वी और उत्तर पूर्वी भारत को एक तरह से दोहरी चुनौतियों से निपटना पड़ रहा है।
As several provinces in India reported record jumps in daily coronavirus cases on Wednesday, lockdown restrictions of different durations were clamped in northern Kashmir Valley, central Bhopal and northeastern Manipur as well. Despite rising cases, India's recovery rate now stands at 63.18%.